Hello. Okay, so good afternoon. This is Hitesh from Kilkas Python Academy. Today we will back another problem statement of Python from LeetCode. So the problem statement is reverse word in string. So given an input string S, we have to reverse the order of the word. A word is defined as a sequence of non-space character. The word in S will be separated by at least one space. Okay. So basically you have to return a string of word in reverse order that is concatenated by a single space. Note that as may contain leading or trailing spaces or multiple spaces between the word. The return string should only have a single space separating the words. Do not include any extra spaces. Okay. So example is given to you where the input string is S, which are the string literally the sky is blue, and the reversed string output is blue is sky the. Okay. So another input is hello world. So expected output is world hello. So your reverse the string should contain leading the or trailing the spaces. Another input is a good example. So output is example good. You need to reduce the multiple spaces in between. Okay, two words to a single word. Okay, so a space between the two word is only single space in a reverse order. Okay, and a set of constant is there. String length is greater than 1 and less than equal to 10 raised to power 4, expectedly 10,000. Okay, and as contain English letter, either it may be uppercase, lowercase, digits and spaces. There is at least one word in S. Okay, you have to follow up. If the string data type is mutable means if you can change the size of the string in your language, so can you solve in it in place of big O one extra space. So see, a class solution is a class. Under the solution a method is there, that is a reverse word which we are passing one parameter as a string as which is of string type, and it will return a string. So for that it will use this return type. Okay, so first of all what we will do, first we will define a word. Initially we will split the string S into list. So for that we will use split function. Once we split the string into list, so then we will do the reverse of the list. So for that we will use reverse. Once we will reverse the list, now we will return join with the single space with the words. Okay, so our function is completed now. So now first we will create the object of the class. So we will created the object of solution as solution, and now we will created the another string. So the first string is the sky is blue. Okay, the sky is blue. So we will try to reverse this string under the S1. So now we are using the method as a reverse word. Okay, in reverse word we are passing the parameter as S1. Okay, so let's see whether it will run correct or not, whether it will reverse the string or not. Yeah, blue is the sky. That means this function is going completely executing. So now we will pass some another input. Okay, which is same as like as this, but S2. The input is hello world. Now we will run this whether we will see word hello or not. Again we run it. This is the second case. Let's see. Yeah, blue is the sky. Yeah. Hello world. We are waiting for hello world. Okay. Yeah, world hello. Okay. So there is another input. We will give the another input variable is S3, and the input is a good example. See, in between the string, in between the good and example, we had given the two spaces. So while splitting the this string into slash, so two space will be replaced by the single space. Okay. So we will try to run this output also, run this input also. We will see expected output as example good a. Let's see whether we will get expected output or not. Example good okay. So likewise we had run all the use cases, test cases, sorry. So with this is basically simple, so you have to keep in mind. So solution is a name of class, reverse word is a method of that class. So first we have to split the string. Once we split the string, that string will convert into the list. Now with the help of word is a list now. Okay. So with the help of reverse function, we will completely reverse the list of element, and we will simply join all the list of element with this empty string. Okay, now it will return all the reverse order. Okay. So this is for today. So if you have any doubt regarding this query, please do comment us. Actually, it is very simple. Okay, but if you have any, if you have knowledge about string or their methods or their functions, so you can easily solve it. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this question, please do comment us. Please subscribe and like this channel. Sign off. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.